Go.
Thank you very much. My name is Bob Ochieng. I am the manager for stakeholder engagement for ICANN in Africa, based here in Nairobi, and we just launched our latest ICANN engagement office in Nairobi. Now, specifically on this event that we have dubbed YouthCom, which is a short form for youth community, the objective is really to talk to the youth at the national level, and of course we are doing this in different countries in Africa. The gap between experts or pioneers in the policy development ecosystem within the internet, ICANN, Afrinic, ISO, is quite huge. And so far, there is no structured way of actually reaching out to young people and the youth and introducing them into this policy-making process to really build a pool of resources that will actually take over when the pioneers retire, so to speak. And therefore, this program aims at introducing the youth from this stage, 30 years and below, students, young entrepreneurs, people that are using the internet for different things and different issues, on how they can also be part of the policy-making ecosystem, so that they know within this internet who else is there and what happens and who makes which decision and how can they be part of those decisions. So we hope that going forward, national stakeholders and institutions, including government, will actually embrace this so that it becomes a program that is ongoing, that is sustainable, so that we have more and more young people joining the ecosystem, that it becomes a continuous structured process. And it's only by Africa playing an active role within the policy-making processes within the internet that the influence and weight of Africa as a continent can be effectively had. So this is our objective, and we hope that it will add value in our quest to have Africa effectively participate in the internet. Thank you.